We're exploring the Catlins, New Zealand's wildest coastline with waterfalls, ancient forests, and up-close seal encounters. Our first stop, the River Anduin from Lord of the Rings, filmed right here in the Catlins. Next up, the Clifden Caves, a hidden limestone cave system. Adventure time! Clifden Caves, 300 meters long or so, and it takes up to 40 minutes from one end to the other. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Very cold in here and very tight as well. The cave is a bit tricky.
Yeah.
This looks interesting. And some idiots again writing their stupid names everywhere, unfortunately. Looks like in winter.
Is it cold?
I can see the light again. After 1 hour lost in the cave.
You should take off completely this plate.
Yeah, but
you
just
can.
cut it up.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Nothing?
Yep, 14.
Ah!
Woo! Well
Got
done,
it.
guys!
Please come on.
Ooh,
Yes.
Wow.
Welcome to Slope Point, the southernmost point of New Zealand's mainland, and probably the windiest place I've ever been. The walk to Waipohatu Falls takes you through native podocarp forest. And here's the reward. Actually, 2 waterfalls after a beautiful forest walk. This is Curio-based Petrified forest. These fossilized tree stumps are 180 million years old, from the Jurassic period. Unfortunately, no yellow-eyed penguins today, but the ancient forest is incredible on its own. The Catlins has over 30 waterfalls. Here are 3 more we discovered. quick stop at Tautuku Estuary, a peaceful coastal walk. No seals at Surat Bay Beach, but we found one next to the river. We just had to get there first. And then this big guy just casually walked past. Hello, you. Climbed up this wooden barrier and just strolled along like he owned the place. What is he doing? Where are you going? Just having a little stroller. Before heading to Nugget Point, we stopped at this beach and found another sea lion. He's covering himself with sand to regulate his temperature. Our final stop, Nugget Point Lighthouse, overlooking one of the largest fur seal colonies on the South Island. The Catlins might be remote, but it's one of the most wildlife-rich coastlines in New Zealand. Thanks for joining us in the Catlins.